This is us. We're here at 5514, our stateroom for the next 4 days. Let's check it out. Alright, so as you walk in, got a nice closet. The other side. There's a big closet. One thing I do like about a Disney cruise is you have this bathroom over here. It's got shelves, it's got the toilet and a sink, and that's all. That's it. But you pull back and you go over here and you have a whole separate area where you have a tub and the shower. And then another second sink. Little Disney products. And there's a little bit of space down there to store some things if you need it. I did order 6 bottles of water to be delivered. Lots of drawer space. 1, 2, 3. This is the 5th. Wave, Mom. This is a Deluxe Ocean View stateroom. I think this room will actually sit and sleep 4. You got a king bed, I'm making twins, you got a couch, and then you do have a pull down. And there's a ladder in the closet. This is an ocean view with a large porthole. Nothing to see yet except for the port. Nice desk area. More drawers. So we have a light switch, a little drawer here. I'm looking for plugs. So I think everything we have is right here. So we have plug. There's 2 USBs as well. Hey, it's Melissa with my Know Your Travel group, coming to you from the Disney Wonder. We have just gotten on board. This is our Ocean View stateroom right here. We got our luggage just about as soon as we got on the ship and got into our room, so we're all set to go. We're gonna go find some food, but so we're ready to go explore the ship. I've never actually been on a Disney cruise. Many times as I've cruised, never done a Disney cruise, so I'm excited.